Okay, so for number 3 question, 3a says solve for x if log 3x plus 2 base 10 minus 2 log x base 10 equals 1 minus log 5x minus 3 base what 10. And B question says what if x squared plus 2x minus 3x to x equals 0. Find the value of what of x. So solution. For 3a question, how do I solve? Now it is best to make everything in the same base, introduce base to this, take this to this part. So that becomes what? Log base 10 of what? 3x plus 2 minus what? Log x squared base 10 equals to log 10 base 10 minus what? Log base 10 of what? 5x minus what? Minus 3. Now in this case, what do I have? Make everything of the same base, log base 10. So this becomes log base 10 of what? 3x plus 2 all over what? X squared equals to what? Log base 10 of what? 10 all over what? 5x minus 3. From this place, you now what? Cancel out a log because they are the same base and have what? 3x plus 2 all over x squared equals to what? 10 all over what? 5x minus 3. From here, you now what? Solve and get your final answer. Now, this is the same thing as 10x squared equals to what? 3x plus 2 times what? 5x minus 3. In which case, I have what? 10x squared equals to what? 15x squared minus 9x plus 5x. Minus 9x, plus what? 10x minus what? Minus 6. Now from here, what do I have? This becomes 10x squared equals to what? 15x squared plus what? X minus 6. Bringing everything to this side, to make it my x squared positive, becomes what? 5x squared plus what? X minus 6 equals to what? Equals to 0. As simple as this. Now from here, you now solve to get your x. I have this as what? As 30. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 minus 5 is what? Is 1, positive 1. So I'm going to have it as what? 5x squared plus 6x minus 5 minus 5x, minus 6, or minus 5x plus 6x like 2 equals to what? Equals to 0. Now from here, what's common? X is common. If x is common here, what remains? 5x plus 6. Minus 1 is common here, what remains? 5x what? Plus 6 equals to 0. On solving now, I have this as what? X minus 1, 5x plus 6 equals to what? Equals to 0. And from here, I can say my x is equals to positive 1, or x equals to what? Minus 6 over what? Over 5. So that is the solution to 3a question. For 3b question, I have x squared plus what? 2x minus 3x root x equals to what? Equals to 0. Now, how do you solve this question? Now, I figured out that to solve this question relatively, or the simplest way to solve this question is as though let's group x. Okay, factorize x out. What remains? X plus 2 minus 3 root x equals to what? Equals to 0. In which case, x is equal to 0, or what? X plus 2 minus 3 root x equals to what? 0. So from here, I have x to be equal to 0, or x plus 2 to be equal to what? 3 root what? X, when take it to the right hand side. Now, x is equal to 0, or at this point, square both sides. X plus 2 squared 3 root x squared. Now, in which case, let's concentrate on this right hand side here. What do I have? This becomes x squared plus what? 4x plus 4 equals to what? 9x. So, bring it to the right hand side becomes what? X squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to what? 0. Now, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 4 1. That's what? 4. So that becomes x minus 1, x minus 4 equals to 0. It means my x is equals to 1, or x is equals to what? 4. Now recall, we have our x to be also equals to 0. So this is the solution to this question.